Welcome to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to renew your passport, Nigerian international passport, if you are in Canada. So please stay tuned and subscribe for more information. So if you want to renew your international passport, Nigerian international passport, open your Chrome to passport.immigration.gov.ng. You click enter as the website is loading. Also, the things you need for you to renew your international passport is your old passport booklet, your local government of origin, your birth certificate. You will need all these documents that I mentioned now: your old passport, your birth certificate, your NIN, that's NIN, that's national identification number. You will need it. So if the website open, you go to apply from outside Nigeria. Apply from outside Nigeria. Since you are applying from Canada, you are not in Nigeria, so you go to apply from outside Nigeria. They will tell you to continue. You accept all. So since you are doing your renewal, which is, we have apply for fresh passport. Those that need new passport, apply for reissue or renewal. Those that you already have a passport but you want to renew your passport. Also, there is place for apply for correction of data. Maybe there is information in your passport that you don't want it to be there again, you want to change it, you can go for this. Then we have resume your application. Maybe you have started applying and there is something along the way, you didn't make the payment. You can resume from here. You can check your application status, then book an appointment. If your application has been accepted, this is where you will go for you to also book an appointment. This is for you to track your application. Maybe you have applied, you have done your biometrics, and you have been waiting for it to be produced. You will go for this. Also, you will need a passport that you will upload in this website. You can check it here, the requirements to test your test and everything. Check available centers. Is it in Canada, is it in Toronto, or anywhere? So you can use this place to check for availability, where you can go and capture, and the date that is available. So since we are applying for reissue, you click apply for reissue. Then they will tell you to create an account. You can use your email. Since I'm going to be using Gmail for that, so I'll log into my Gmail account. I'll use one of my Gmails. They'll ask you this question: